come to Contractor Connection so that we can learn what's trending in the industry, so that we can meet with people at the Expo, get new ideas, share ideas with one another, and to have a good time.
Find out the latest tools and equipment as well as chemicals, but also just kind of find out how the industry is kind of changing.
Even our competitors, I like to stop by, say hi. We all know each other. It's a friendly environment, and see what else is new out there.
Hopefully bring back enough of the information that our employees that get to experience here, and hopefully I can bring that energy that I learned from here to them.
You know, other people in the restoration business, see what they're doing better, see how we can improve and make more money.
Just listening to some of the lead roles, CEOs and everything, it's education in itself.
It's always good to hear from Harsha, hear from the head of the company and see what his vision is.
Restoring and enhancing lives, businesses, and communities is the very existence of who we are.
5 million families and property owners that you guys have delivered on service, and obviously you have done a tremendous job because the insurance carriers continue to embrace the program and grow the program.
It's always helpful to see Larry give us the numbers and see the scoreboard. We're competitive, so it gives us something to strive for.
You just have to decide right now. Next year, we're going to be in that category. Next year, we're taking our PALM scores. Next year, we're going to take our TIP scores and put them here. This is what they're going to. It starts with a decision, and you make it right now in this room. Enough is enough. This is how we grow.
I get a lot out of the conferences when I come. I learn a lot about different policies and procedures.
I'm looking forward to learn about the capacity portal that we have, the performance-based assignments, and how we can engage with our partnership with Contractor Connection to improve our business.
There's some things that I learned with the USA session yesterday and hope to learn more tomorrow, and bringing all that back, taking notes.
We can all take away from any kind of changes and new products brought to the table each year.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are on a path of innovation and client impact, and the Contractor Connection Network is a huge asset that we have on that journey.
A tremendous partnership. I think that the value add when one of our customers goes through a traumatic experience, whether it's fire loss, water loss, that when they call us to report their claim, that we have an offering for them that is as wonderful as this network.
Thank you for everything that you do every day. Thank you for everything that your teams do every day, being that brand extension, being a part of our solution, and especially thank you for being with us on the journey of restoring and enhancing lives, businesses, and communities.
California, we just went through the wildfires, and so to me what restore means is giving people back a resemblance of what they've lost and being able to do that with great care and customer service.
That passion in helping people and connect that to restoration is very inspirational, and I like connecting with those kind of people.
To be able to have the opportunity to work in somebody's home and help them get back to their family's lives is a humbling experience.
It's a rewarding career. I've been at it for a very long time, so I've always taken a sense of pride in that.
To be able to get them back to their life as quickly as possible and for them to feel like they are even better than they were to begin with.
Working with Contractor Connection helps me through a lot of this conference by coming together and seeing the standards in which we should be assisting these insureds. You know, that restoration experience that everyone wasn't expecting but should receive.
Restore lives.
Restore business. Restore communities.